I want to show you why it's important to pay down your credit card debt as soon as possible using this online calculator. Imagine you have a balance of $1,500 on your credit card. The current interest rate is 18%, and you're only making minimum payments of $23 each month. If you don't make any new purchases and focus on making minimum payments each month, it will take you 22 years to pay off this debt, and you'll pay $4,415 in interest. If each time you make a payment, majority of the payment goes towards interest, the principal balance will barely budge. After 1 year, you would have made $276 in total payments and only reduced your debt by $6.52. You can also try making lump sum payments every few months to cut down on the interest and aggressively reduce the principal balance. You can use a no-cost loan from HoneyBee to get started. If you make a lump sum payment of $350 towards that same credit card bill, it will significantly cut down on the interest and the time it takes you to repay your bill. You'll repay your bill 13 years earlier and save $3,423 in interest over the remaining term. Each time you make an extra payment, it goes directly to the principal balance. If you make an extra payment of $350 in addition to your minimum monthly payment of $23, $22.50 goes towards the interest, and $350.50 goes towards the principal balance, meaning your total debt was reduced by $350.50. You can use no-cost loans from HoneyBee to repeat this strategy every few months. We don't charge any interest or fees. Here's what it looks like to make $350 lump sum payments every few months. Over time, the total interest paid each month goes down and the principal paid goes up. Less than a year later, you would reduce your debt to $0 and only pay $126 in interest. You can also pay off your debt fast by increasing your monthly payments. If you increase your monthly payment from $23 to $163, you can achieve the same result as the lump sum strategy. If your credit card debt exceeds $3,000, you may want to try a different approach. We can talk you through different scenarios and help you create a plan that works for you. Please visit meethoneybee.com for more information.